Hello. Trying to also help out with the G923 wheel and with the issues it's having on the F123 game, at least for me. And well, I've set up my Yeti microphone relatively close to my wheel. So my main issue, at least, is that even when moving on straight, so I'm not talking about curbs or anything. So when moving on straight on relatively high speeds, but it's still noticeable on lower speeds, there is a grinding noise coming from the central part of the wheel. So I'll try to demonstrate it and we'll jump into the game. And yeah, hopefully it's hearable. So I'll just have to do a little switcheroo. Just give me a sec. This should now, yep. Now it shows up the game. So I'm just in a trial, whatever run, and I'll just restart the lap. And I have turned down the volume. Well, the volume is inside of my headphones. That's the main part, I guess. And I'll restart the lap and let's see how it goes. I don't know how much the CAT is going to pick up the noise. But we'll see. Anyways, the curbs are especially noisy, obviously. Also, the feeling on the curbs is weird, but do nothing. And this noise persists. Like it's a grinding, whirring sound. Or I don't even know how to explain it, how to call it. But hopefully it was hearable in the video. I cannot hear it myself back from the video, so I'll test it out myself. And if it's good and hearable, then I'll send it out in the